My goofy auntie stabbed my grandpa with Longhorn Steakhouse knife. My sister caught me playing with my wiggly worm, so I threw a Kim Kardashian butt cheek at her. I force-fed a whole bottle of melatonin to my father, and he forgot to wake up. My doctor diagnosed me with type 7 genital herpes, and I got bumps all over my testicles.
Hey guys, it's Quandale Diggler. I've been accused of multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer, but placing TNT in a porta potty.
Goofy Uncle Productions. I wanna take a pic with Cardi B inside my cardigan. Niggas know I'm late, they call me Shorty, Mr. Tardy Man. I just smoke my weed and fuck these hoes, I'm not no party man. Hit the plug and check the gas and take off in a Harley, man.